Recent widespread flooding in Thailand is set to bump up the price of computer equipment. The rising waters have wiped out more than a quarter of the world's hard drive production. The ABC Southeast Asia correspondent Zoe Daniel reports.
It was a desperate fight. The army, the staff, the volunteers, all working together to protect factories and livelihoods. But in the end, it was a battle lost. A series of industrial estates to the north of Bangkok gave way to the force of the water. Microelectronics company Hana was producing 15 million units per day. Their products used in cameras, computers and phones, among other things. Chief Executive Richard Hahn says since the flood, output is down to 1 million. The main factory at Ayutthaya stripped and submerged.
These are very heavy pieces of equipment, averaging between 800 kilos and 2 tons, which had to be hoisted out onto a raft and sailed out of the industrial estate.
The worst monsoon in decades has flooded thousands of factories. About 700,000 jobs are lost. Analysts expect a shortage of key computer components will push prices up in the short term because the floods have wiped about 30% of global hard drive supply.
They can adjust, but in short term, I think it's hurt a bit. But I think in the future, maybe the big company of the world, maybe they locate some production to another country to reduce the risk of flooding.
The two hardest hit hard drive manufacturers are Toshiba and Western Digital, who together hold 45% of the mobile device market. Western Digital makes 60% of its product at 2 Thai factories, both of which have shut down. It's expected that shortages related to their lack of production will kick in early next year and could increase prices by more than 10% until supplies get back to normal. But that'll take 3 to 6 months at least.